friends! Let's learn today's new English word. Peacock brother! What's today's English word?
Today's word is responsibility, and it means taking care of your own tasks and decisions. So, if I don't finish my part in the project, is my responsibility gone? Yes, Gillo. Understanding your mistake and fixing it is also responsibility.
So if I don't finish my part in a school project, but my group does, is my responsibility gone? No, Gillo. Finishing your own part is also your responsibility. Oh. So responsibility means my tasks and my decisions too.
Yes. Responsibility helps us everywhere. School, home, even the science lab. Great job, friends! Always keep patience and keep smiling.